La 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 la. La 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 la. Huh? What's going on? Huh? Who threw the garbage into the river? It will pollute the water source. The excavator comes to pick up the oil drum. There's still a lot of garbage on the bank. We need to go down and clean it. It seems that the river is a bit deep. This is not good. We need to think of a better way. I have an idea, Truck. Can I borrow some stones from you? Pour the stones into the river to block the river. You see the downstream is slowly out of water. Then we can go down and clean up the garbage. The oil drums need to be removed. The truck comes here to load the garbage. Put the broken oil drum into the truck. Okay, the truck can take it away first. Oh no! The fish is in danger! There's only the last bit of garbage left. This oil drum is tied too tightly. I have to go down and help. I have to hurry up. Oh, the river is rushing down. Oh, it hurts. It's really thrilling. Back up, back up. Okay. The excavator, load the stones into the truck. Load one more. Truck, you first take this stone away. What happened? I have to go up and see. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It fell into the pit. It's so poor. It can't climb up. worry, T-Rex. It's so thrilling. Excavator, please help him. Danger! Pull it back quickly. Oh, this won't work. It's dangerous. We need to think of a way. I got it! This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. I found it! This is a hypnotic bullet! It can temporarily control the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, let's start throwing the hypnotic bomb. Tyrannosaurus Rex, don't be afraid! Yeah, it worked! The excavator, hook the Tyrannosaurus Rex up. Be gentle. We saved you, T-Rex! Don't hurt us. Goodbye, T-Rex.
Tenny is cutting down a tree. Excavator, push down the trees. Come on, Excavator. Just a little bit more. Tenny, go and fix the branch. This side needs to be cut too. It's the truck. Excavator, move the wood on the truck. Hook up this wood. Load the wood into the wagon. Crane, it's your turn. Start up. Extend the supporting leg and brace on the ground. Raise the crane arm. Drop the lift hook. Hook the wood. Come on, crane. Ready to put the wood on the truck? It's ready to be unloaded. Look, it's all done. Truck, take the wood away. Passing over the bridge. Oh no! Tyrannosaurus blocking the way. We cannot afford to mess with him. Let's go another way. Oops! The wheels are stuck in the mud. Come on, truck! No! Excavator, get over there and help him. Excavator arrives. Hold on the wagon! Starting to power up. Finally got the truck out. Truck, pull the wood away.
river. The wooden bridge was washed away. How can we cross the river? I've got it. We can use this pile of wood to build a new bridge. Okay, let's start building the bridge. Hey! Let's remove the old wooden piles first. Iron bar, hammer. Finally, it's loose. The excavator pulls out that wooden pile. I'll get a big log to make a pier. Please stick it in the river bottom. Great! Knock this one down as well. The main body of the wooden bridge has been built. Let's start laying the bridge deck. The excavator also comes to help. Yes! Just park there. Just need to lay the last bridge deck. Hurry up and lay it down. It seems to be a Tyrannosaurus Rex. We need to speed up the construction. I need to knock all the nails in. No, T-Rex! Excavator, come here. To deliver the oil tank quickly. Oh no! The bridge ahead is broken. Huh? What's that sound? It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I have to hide quickly. Don't find me! Huh! The oil tank is on fire. I have to find a way to drive away the T-Rex. Oh no! He found me! Luckily, there is a river here. He can't reach me. Huh? Oh no! He's going to attack the truck. The excavator, come and save us. The bucket is bitten! I have to go and help the excavator. Push the cannon. Start aiming. Fire! We finally drove away the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh no! The oil tank is still burning! The excavator, go put out the fire. First, hook a scoop of water to put out the fire. Hey, there's another one here. Put it in the river. Great, excavator! Let's turn the truck over. Hey! Hey! Ooh, push hard! Yeah, it's done! We also need to load the tanker onto the truck. Haha, thank you, excavator! This time, I will drive slowly. Hi, kids! Today we're going to catch a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look, there is one over there. Wow! The T-Rex turned around. Let's start. Huh? We need to move quietly towards it. Oops! Almost got caught! Hypnotic bomb! Hi. The Tyrannosaurus Rex is hypnotized. The excavator comes here. Arouse a Tyrannosaurus Rex. The truck is coming for you. Put the Tyrannosaurus Rex on the truck. Hey, it's done! Please take it away! The truck has overturned. Let's go and see. The T-Rex is waking up. He is destroying oil drums. And it's on fire. No, I have to go down and put out the fire. Hook up a steep pool of water to put out the fire. The fire is too big. We need to put the whole oil drum into the water. Finally, it's put out. Truck, don't be afraid. I'll turn you over. We also need to move the stones away. Okay, you can go back and repair it. It's the bus! It's stuck in the mud! Bus, hold on! I'll be right there! The bus can't break free. It's sinking deeper. Let me see. It's because the mud is too sticky. Let's pull the bus up. Hey! Push harder. I have to go down and help. We successfully rescued the bus. What happened to the bus? Oh, it's the sun's fault. Don't worry, Bush. We'll help you clean it. Look, the excavator is helping too. Only this last bit left. It's broken. What should we do? Luckily, the excavator has a new tire. Please lift the bus up. Let's replace the tire. Just throw away the bad tire. Put on this new tire. Tighten it a little. It's done. The excavator can put the bus down. You can drive it and see. It's all right now. Drive carefully. Hi, I came to blow up the mountain to get stones today. Here, let's go down and install the bomb. Hey, it's installed. Pull me up. Go down and wait for the explosion. Look, the bomb is about to explode. It's really thrilling. Look, the stones are blown everywhere. It seems we have a lot of work to do. Let's call the excavator to help. There seems to be something over there. Let's go up and see. It's a stone blocking the road. But don't worry, I'll clean it up. Lift the stone and throw it under the cliff. The stone is cleared. Bus, you can go now. Let's call the truck now. Truck, come here. Load this big stone onto the truck. stone is too big. The truck can't pull it. We need to break it. Hi! Hi! Hata! Great! Next, hook the stone to the truck's compartment. Gather them together first. Start loading stones. It's full. You take the truck to the construction site first. I also want to hook a stone to the construction site. Just hook this one.